Okay, guys, finally the long awaited day is here. PAWS is finally coming to life today. Alright, and I believe you are excited about it. So today is cash out from PAWS. So now this is a very quick video on how to be able to sell your PAWS and then convert your USDT to Naira. Alright, a very quick one. Just okay, so you can see the time is already counting. Alright, it's already counting. It's already counting. So that's a very good one. So now let's go back. Click on asset. Alright, click on asset. So your POPs is on unified trading already. So that's a very good one. All you have to do now is just to click on trade. Alright, click on trade because the POPs is already on unified trading. So click on trade. Alright, click on trade. Yours may not be showing like this. Alright, you just have to change it. Okay, it's just showing like this now. Just click on this place. Okay, click on this to change it. Alright, click to change it. You select POPs. Okay, select POPs. Alright, it's not yet live. Okay, it's not yet live. It's coming soon. This is it. You click on it. Okay, so now I will show you guys. I'm using another coin to show you how to sell your POPs immediately. Alright, because POPs is not yet showing. So now let me select another coin. Okay, now this is how to sell now. Assuming this is your POPs now. Okay, assuming this is your POPs, it's going to be on buy. Alright, it will be on buy like this. It will be showing buy like this. Okay, so all you have to do here is just to click on sell. Okay, select the sell option. Alright, click on sell. Click on sell. And then you can use the market limit or use the limit itself. You can use limit, alright, or better still, because most doesn't allow you to sell immediately. Sometimes they will have to delay you. Alright, so for you to avoid that, if you have already seen the price, you can just use the limit order. Okay, and then put in the amount by yourself. Alright, put the amount by yourself if you have seen the price already. But if you haven't seen the price, just switch to market. Alright, switch to market limit. Switch to limit. Change from limit to market. Okay, just select market. Alright, select market. Now your market now. So your POPs will be showing here. Available balance to be showing here. Alright, to be showing here. Just want to sell everything. Just click on this. Alright, to max out everything there. Slide to the end 100%. You want to sell all the tokens immediately at once. Alright, or you sell 50% of it. Just slide this again to 50%. Okay, just slide to 5%. 20%, any amount, anyone you want to sell. 50% is okay, 100% is also okay. Alright, so it all depends on you. So let me also check something here again. Click on this source again, select POPs. Let me check something here. Okay, it's not showing yet. So this is how to sell your POPs. Alright, you have to sell your POPs. You have to sell your POPs immediately, and you will receive your USDT ASAP. So once you receive your USDT, you can now convert it. So once you have sell immediately, the USDT now is going to be on unified trading. Alright, it will still be here. Okay, all you have to do is just come to this place, click on it. Either you click on it, alright, either you click on it, or you just click on transfer. Click on transfer. Okay, click on transfer. And then since the USDT is on unified trading, just click on this center button now to change from funding to unified. Okay, so unified will be at the top and then fund will be down. Alright, just click on it. Okay, allow it to load up. You can see it has changed now, right? Unified trading is now on the up while the funding is on the down. So now all you have to do here again is to click on this bit. Either you click on this BTC or you click on this arrow here. Any one at all is a good one. Click on it to change the network. Alright, so you are selling your USDT now, so you click on USDT. Okay, click on USDT, you click on it. Alright, allow it to load up. So if you have like 20 USDT, 10 USDT, you can just click on mass. You mass out everything there. Alright, you mass out everything there. Once you are done, then you click on confirm. Alright, you confirm the transaction, you confirm it, and this is it now. Guys, boom. So now this is how to sell your POP. This is how to sell USDT now to convert it to Naira and get your funds immediately. Alright, come to P2P, come back to home. Okay, come back to normal home. Alright, click on P2P trading. Okay, P2P trading. And then you click on sell. Alright, you click on sell. You click on sell. I always advise you guys to use this option. You need to filter to get the verified vendors, okay, to avoid getting scammed. Click on filter. Once I click on sell, you click on filter. Alright, click on filter. This is the tool I'm using. Alright, this is the tool I always make use of. Select show only eligible, only verified advertisers. The next one is to show you only eligible ads. Okay, so this tool is what I use. Yours now will be like this. Let me take this out. Okay, yours will be like this. All you have to do is just to click on the first option, and then you click on the third option, and you are good to go. Okay, you can select the time by yourself, or you leave it as all, or you can put 15 minutes, 30 minutes, anyone, but I always go for all. Okay, then you confirm. Alright, you confirm. Once you confirm it, then now you click on this amount. Click on the amount, depending on how many USDT you have. Let me just put like, I don't have USDT here yet, so I just put like, let me just for example now, click on 5,000, then you confirm. Okay, then you also click on this all payment mode. Click on it. Click on it. You can select all. I always go with bank transfer or OPay. Okay, but just select only one. Bank transfer is okay. Okay, then you confirm. And we are here now. So now you need to check the person that is online. Alright, always check their orders. Okay, always check their orders. Very, very important. Okay, always check their orders, and then always check to know the person that is online. Something will be showing here like a green point. Alright, once it's green, that means the person is online. If it's not green, it's not online. But to also confirm very well, you just need to click on the particular vendor. Just click on it. Alright, then you search this place. Alright, you can see it's online. This person now is online. Alright, so you can set to this person. Alright, now you just have to put in the amount of USDT you have here, like $10 out of USDT. Just put it here, $10. Alright, and I will show you the amount here. Then you select your bank payment mode, click here. Okay, click on that place, click here to select either your PalmPay. If your account is not yet on the platform, you need to set up your account. Okay, very easy to do. Once you come to this payment mode, you can see here, right, to be showing you here, add a payment mode. You can see here, right, it's showing. Okay, so it's showing add a payment mode. You can see here, right, so that is it. You add a payment mode, click on it, add a payment mode. All right, then you put in your details, your bank transfer, the name of your bank account number, the branch, and then your bank name. All right, and you're good to go. Okay, your name, bank account, bank branch. If you're using OP, just use Lagos as the branch. Okay, then the bank name, you just put the bank name, Beckham. Okay, PalmPay, anyone. So that's it. All right, it's very easy. So once you are done, you confirm it. All right, you confirm, and your account will be here. Okay, so you can say if you added 2 accounts or 3 accounts, just select any of them, then you confirm it. All right, once you are done confirming it, you simply click on the sell button. So here will pop up. Here is going to pop up. Okay, sell will pop up. Click on sell button, and you are good to go. Click on sell. Then the person, when you click on sell, you have to wait. All right. So once before you release any coins, make sure you have gotten your alert. All right. Make sure you have seen your alert. Okay, before you release the coin. If the person say you don't pay, then you have to go to your account. If it's your PalmPay or OP or Kuda Bank, Money Point, go there to confirm the payment. All right. Then you come back here and release the coin to the person. Okay, assuming you come back to this page and you're no longer on the page. Now let me show you what to do. All right, let me show you what to do. You just come to this place, this dashboard now. All right, for example, started afresh. Click on P2P again, P2P trading again. Then you click on orders. Click on orders. All right, you can see the orders there. Click on it. Click on orders. All right, you click on orders, then you will see it will be displaying here. Okay, it will be displaying here. All you have to do is just to click on it, and then you proceed. All right, you proceed to release the coin. Okay, and you're good to go. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, you can actually leave it in the comment section of this video, and I'll be there to attend to you. All right, or leave it in the group. Okay, anyone at all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more people to also see this video and benefit from it also. Okay, not keep it to yourself. All right, so that's it, guys. Let's wait for PAWS to get listed, and then we catch out our funds. All right, peace out, guys.